Have you created a website but nobody visits it? You publish blog posts regularly but Google doesn't rank them? You spend hours writing content yet your traffic stays close to zero? If that sounds familiar, don't worry. The problem is usually not your writing, the problem is SEO. In today's video, I will explain SEO from absolute beginner level, no complicated technical terms, no confusing jargon. At the end of this video, we'll understand what SEO is, how Google rank websites, the three main types of SEO, keyword research, on-page SEO, technical SEO, backlinks, common beginner mistakes, a simple SEO strategy you can start today. Let's begin. What is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It is a process of improving your website so that search engines like Google can understand your content and show it to people searching for it. Imagine Google as a giant library. Every website is a book. Google's job is to recommend the best book whenever someone asks a question. If your website is well organized, useful, fast, and trustworthy, Google is more likely to recommend it. For example, someone searches best laptop under 50,000. Google looks like through millions of pages and decides which website deserve the top positions. SEO helps your website become one of those top results. Why SEO matters? SEO is one of the best long-term ways to grow a website. Unlike paid advertising, where traffic stops when you stop paying, SEO can continue bringing visitors over time. Good SEO can help you increase website traffic, get more customers, build trust, earn more revenue, grow your brand. Many successful blogs and businesses receive most of the visitors from Google search. Then comes how Google works. Google works in three main steps. One is crawling. Google uses bots called crawlers. These bots visit website and discover new pages. Think of them as librarians checking every new book. Step 2, indexing. After discovering your page, Google store in its massive database. This is called indexing. If a page isn't indexed, it won't appear in search results. Step 3, ranking. When someone searches something, Google compare thousands of pages, then it ranks the pages based on relevance, content quality, website speed, user experience, backlinks, authority. The better your page is, the higher it can rank. Now comes three types of SEO. On-page SEO, this means optimizing the content on your website. Example includes title, tags, meta description, headings, keywords, images, internal links. Everything you control on your page is on on-page SEO. Then comes technical SEO. Technical SEO focuses on how your website performs. Example include fast loading speeds, mobile friendliness, secured HTTPS, XML sitemap, robot.txt, clean URLs. A technically healthy website helps search engines crawl, understand your content. Then comes off-page SEO. This is everything that happens in outside your website. The most important factor is backlinks. A backlink is simply another website linking to your page. Google treats high-quality backlinks as signals that other websites trust your content. Then comes keyword research. Before writing an article, you should know what people are searching for. These terms are called keywords. For example, instead of writing about shoes, target a more specific keyword like best running shoes under 5,000. This is called a long-tail keyword. Long-tail keywords usually have less competition and can be easier to rank for. Beginners can find keyword ideas using Google autocomplete. People also ask, related searches, Google Search Console, keyword research tools. Always create content that answer the user search intent. Then comes on-page SEO checklist. Here is simple checklist. Use your main keyword in title, URL, first paragraph, one or two headings, image or text, meta description. Use short paragraphs, write naturally. Add interlinks to related articles. Use images that support your content. Make it. Google want content that help people, not content stuff with keywords. Then comes the common SEO mistakes. Many beginners make these mistakes, just like keyword stuffing, copying content, ignoring mobile users, slow website speed, no internal links, publishing thin articles, expecting ranking in few days. SEO takes patience. It often takes weeks or months before you see significant results. Then comes beginner SEO strategy. If you are just starting, follow this plan. Choose one niche, find low competition keywords, write helpful original articles, optimize every page, improve website speed, build internal links, earn quality backlinks, track performance with Google Search Console, update older articles regularly, stay consistent. SEO is a marathon, not a sprint. Now comes the end part. Let's quickly recap. Today we learned what SEO is, how to Google rank websites, on-page SEO, technical SEO, off-page SEO, keyword research, SEO-based practices, common mistakes, a beginner-friendly SEO strategy. If you apply this fundamentally consistently, you will build a strong foundation of a long-term search traffic. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. In the next video, we'll learn keyword research for beginners, and how to find low competition keyword that reach your rank for. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.